Welcome to our channel. All subject become easy. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. First Secretary General of United Nations. Answer for this question is try, give, lie. First President of United States of America. Answer for this question is George Washington. First President of the Republic of China. Answer for this question is Dr. Sun Yat-sen. First man to go into space. The answer for this question is Major Yuri Gagarin. First space tourist. Answer for this question is Dennis Tito. First man to set foot on the moon. Answer for this question is Neil Armstrong. First man to fly an aeroplane. Answer for this question is Wright brothers. First man to reach North Pole. Answer for this question is Robert Peary. First man to reach South Pole. Answer for this question is Roald Amundsen. First man to climb Mount Everest. Answer for this question is Sherpa Tenzing. First European to visit China. Answer for this question is Marco Polo. First man to draw the map of Earth. Answer for this question is Anaximander. First man to win Nobel Prize for Literature. Answer for this question is Sully Prudhomme. First man to walk in space. Answer for this question is Alexei Leonov. First European invader of Indian soil. Answer for this question is Alexander the Great. First man to win Nobel Prize for Medicine. Answer for this question is A.E. von Behring. First man to hit double century in one-day international match. Answer for this question is Sachin Tendulkar. First Asian to head the International Cricket Council. Answer for this question is Jagmohan Dalmia. First Prime Minister of Great Britain. Answer for this question is Sir Robert Walpole.